welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make braised pork belly. These are the ingredients that we'll be using. The full list of ingredients will be at the end of the video. First, we'll prepare the garlic. We are using garlic with skin on to have better flavor. Use the back of your knife and press firmly on the garlic. Be careful not to cut yourself. There are many versions of this pork belly recipe on the internet, but today I'm making one that is made by my mom. Peel your ginger and cut them into small slices. You can click on this video to find out how I peel my ginger without any wastage. Remember to like and subscribe for more easy videos. Once they are all cut up, set aside for later use. I've cut the pork belly into bite sizes before placing them in a pot. Pour in hot water and let the water come to a boil again. Once it comes to a boil, strain it with a sieve and set aside for later use. In a clean, dry pot, pour in your sugar and melt it over medium-high heat. Stand next to the pot to watch over it as the sugar melts very quickly. Once the sugar is melted and start to caramelize, pour in all your spices, your ginger and garlic. Stir with a wooden spoon for 3 to 5 minutes until it becomes fragrant. Next, add in your blanched pork belly. Use the wooden spoon to stir continuously until the sugar is melted and combined with all the ingredients. Stir continuously for 10 to 15 minutes. Once the pork is coated evenly with the caramelized sugar and the edges of the pork starts to brown, it's ready for the next step. Pour in hot water until it just covers all the ingredients. Now is the time you pour in your soy sauce and your dark soy sauce. Give it a quick stir to ensure that everything is incorporated. Put the lid on and let it braise for 1 hour on medium-low heat. And there you have it, easy braised pork belly. You can serve it with a side of rice and vegetables for a balanced meal. Take a screenshot for future reference. Thank you for watching. See you soon.